Good morning, one and all. In this video, we are going to discuss about one of the important topics in water quality, water technology, we can say boiler troubles. So, everyone knows about this boiler troubles. Just we are going to discuss about key points with this. With it's an important topic in chemistry for engineering materials in water technology unit. So, water, we know about water salts present in what are all the salts present in the water, which in turn affects the quality of the water. How we are going to detect, how we are going to remove those impurities. So these impurities present in the water also will make the boilers a big issue when we are going to do a steam one. Okay, which in turn a steam, very important, you know very well water streams and all. From that we can generate electricity. You know very well about that, everyone knows about that, is a basic fundamental thing. So when we are using those application, so those boilers, how they those boilers are facing the issues by the hardness of the water. Okay, so water fed into the boiler for the production of steam is called boiler feed water. It should be free from turbidity, oil, dissolved gases. So because of these reasons only, we just told it should be free. So otherwise it will form the scales like that, layer by layer, a thick layer of impurities. Okay, so formation of scales, sludge in boiler, priming and foaming, caustic embrittlement and corrosion. These are the basic fundamentals of issues in the production of steam in boiler. So sludge, MgCO3, MgSO4 and calcium chloride, etc. These are the sludge material that can be settled inside the boilers. Scales, a very thick layer, very hard materials. So Ca, HCO3 twice, calcium bicarbonate, calcium sulfate, magnesium and related salts. So the process of formation of wet steam, that is called priming. It means due to the fluctuation in the temperature, the droplets of water will also settle in the inside the walls of the boiler. That is called wet steam. So causing of priming, large amount of dissolved solids like alkali SO4, Cl minus, etc. Sudden boiling operation. Just now I told a fluctuation in the temperature. That's the reason. Improper design of steam boiler is also one of the big reason. So effects of priming, reduction in boiler efficiency, main point. Lowers the lifespan of machineries, increase in maintenance cost. So how to prevent? So design should be improved properly. Low water levels should be maintained every time. So soft water should be utilized. It means temporary hardness like that. Otherwise removed of permanent hardness, that is called soft water also we can utilize. So foam, formation of stable bubbles above the surface of water, that is called foam, which mainly it comes from oil presence, grease, etc. And the effects damages the turbine blades, etc., which in turn reduce the efficiency. Then how to prevent? So coagulants addition and anti-foaming agent usages are some of the prevention techniques. So embrittlement, caustic embrittlement. So intercrystalline cracking of boiler metal undergoes decomposition to give NaOH. Crack will be happen due to the sudden fluctuation there, the temperature also. So prevention how? Sodium phosphate as softening agent we can use. Tannin, lignin to boiler water. So blocks hair cracks means very small hair cracks which leads to final breakages. So these materials will be used to block those gaps or hair cracks, which in turn avoid the issues. So finally, dissolved oxygen, dissolved carbon dioxide, dissolved magnesium chloride at some of the points. So how we can do? mainly mechanical deaeration. DOS from mechanical deaeration is also done, and it will reduce the salts, hot salts present in those water. Okay, by supplying the vacuum pump, by applying, supplying vacuum, it will be collect the deaerated water. Okay, so some of the methods, techniques in order to avoid those impurities present in the water. So thank you so much for listening.